Does it fit a blender bottle? One of my favorite parts about this job is that customers will put anything and everything they can into a Frost Buddy, and a blender bottle was one of them. So this is our new to-go buddy. It's supposed to fit like Starbucks and Dunkin. Keep your coffee hot or cold, you just drop the cup in there, right? And then someone's like, oh, I wonder if it'll fit a blender bottle. And so what do? They literally just toss the blender bottle in, and sure enough, it's literally a perfect fit. And they're like, they did a test and they're like, oh my God, it kept the ice in my blender bottle so much longer. So they literally use a blender bottle, use a to-go buddy, and they toss it in there, and then they just use the normal lid like this. So absolutely, this bad boy will fit a blender bottle, and this is like the greatest surprise ever.